Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you love to camp as much as my husband and I do, then you know how important it is to have a nice camp stove so that you can get your food cooked and ready to go quickly. This two-burner cook stove from OGERY has been so nice to use. Some features that we like about it are that there's enough space between the burners to have two things going at the same time, of course, and we love that it has a built-in ignition. This runs on propane and comes with a propane adapter. We really like the cord on that adapter because it allows you to place the canister of propane pretty much wherever you want so that it's not in the way while you're trying to cook. Also, this comes with a really nice nonstick griddle. This was so nice to use while we were camping. My husband loves toast, so we were able to toast on the flat side of the griddle and then fry up hot dogs and other things on the other side. These are 10,000 BTU burners and they heated up water really fast and of course all the food that we were cooking too. I love the old school look of this burner. We got the green one and it has a really cool wood looking handle on it and of course comes in its own carrying bag, so it makes taking this with you really easy and nice for storage. It does not come with a windshield, but even though we were in a windy area while we were cooking, it made no difference with how fast we were able to heat up and cook our food. This stove was great for a camping experience, and that's our point of view.